So now in this lecture we are trying to learn basic structure of HTML program and sample how do we are running our program, how do we save program, and these are basic things we learn this lecture, right? HTML program structure, just you observe here, this is our HTML program structure, and this HTML program having totally two sections. This is a head section and this is a body section. Fundamental thing is there, fundamental things, what we are placing this body tag that will be visible on browser, and what we are placing this head, it will be done in a back end, and this title is available. So first of all, what the title tag will be do, just you observe. First of all, we are going this one of the website, this is one of the website. So here the tab name, here just observe tag name, you observe. Suppose I am going to enter this today's films, automatically the tag name is changed, right? So this is nothing but title. Just you observe, this is a BCCI TV channel, and BSc Sensex is there. Just you observe here BSc Sensex, and when I am entering one of the Maruti Sensex, just you observe Maruti Suzuki India Limited. This type of a title, the tab name is done with the help of title tag. And here what we placing this in between this title tag, it will be set as a tab name, the page name, right? Next one, head tag. What is a head tag? Head tag contains information about the web. So we can place in between head tag, we can write a script, JavaScript we can place, and we can provide some links. We can connect with the help of link tag, bootstrap, and CSS files, external files. With the help of this head section we place for dynamical activities, dynamical changes. And in between body we can place different type of contents, different type of tags we can provide, just right. HTML is indicating your this program is HTML, this web page is written in HTML. This doc type HTML is indicating what type of version, this information doc type gives information to your web browser, what type of version is available in this HTML. So this type of information is done this structure, and already we know that if you want to follow this structure you can follow, and you don't want to follow the structure you can that. Why? Because HTML is a error free language, and I am telling about HTML only, not we are not involving any dynamical activities, we are not telling about any JavaScript, we are not connecting with any databases, and we are not connecting with any dynamical scripts. So only a pure HTML point of view, this is a structure, and we can write our own way. So first, so how do we create this HTML document, right? First one, step one, open any text editor. Any text editor in the sense, suppose you can open in academic year they are using Notepad, otherwise Notepad++, otherwise you can write any Visual Studio Code. Plenty of editors are available. With the help of editors you can write your code. And step 2, open this Notepad and Visual Studio Code and write your text and save your file with .html. Write your code, write code on any text editor. Just very simple. In a step 1, open any text editor, open any text editor and write your HTML code and save file with the .html extension. And how we can execute that HTML program? Very simple. Just double click on HTML file. Just click on that particular file, automatically it will be open on browser. So same thing I'll try to execute. So here I am creating one particular file, particular folder. Why? Because all programs I want to make in a single location, right? So here I want to store. For that I am taking one Notepad. Just you can click this text document and you can write your program, whatever program you want to write. So just I want to place this code, same code I want to place. Just I am placing this, what way I am writing here, just document type what we learn in a structure of the program, same program we placed here. This is a head section and this is a body section, right? And we are saving this file. First dot html. Just I am saving this, right? Where we are storing these all programs. Already we know that one, HTML programs, right? This is a first program, right? This is a first dot html. When I am double click on this one, automatically it opens. Just you observe, this is our program, and I am closing this all tabs. This is our program, web page title. Just you observe, and this is our program, right? This is our program. Just I am changing this web page title. So just I am writing here Srikanth. This is a Srikanth page, suppose Srikanth page. Just I am saving this, save, but it is not updating in a browser. It not updates, right? So you can refresh this code. Just you observe, this is a web page title. This is a tab name is changed here with the Srikanth page. The Srikanth page is available, right? So again I am copying this. 10 times. Just to observe, and in a new line always I am taking new line, right? Just what happens, just to observe, I am saving this, save, but just observe, but actually there is a number of blocks are there. Just to observe, we are giving, suppose, right, I am taking 100 blocks, second one, right? Just observe, number of spaces there, right? Number of spaces, right? Number of spaces. I am saving this, save, refresh, nothing to change, but number of spaces is available, tab spaces, right? Number of tab spaces, fs width, so fs, right, width. So plenty spaces we are providing here. So I want to save this, save, I am saving, but in this file you observe nothing it happens, right? I want to zoom it. Just observe, many spaces are there. It will not consider more spaces. So what is you observe here in HTML, basic text, what we are placing in a body tag in a browser, multiple spaces it converts to single space. Just to observe here, welcome, more spaces, welcome, second welcome, right? But it consider very simple, single space, right? fs with Srikanth. Just to observe what happened. No, there is only single space. So if in case I want to make this all new lines, right? We want to represent this all in very new line. Just observe, just this is our, just I want to remove this all the things and refresh. I am not saving, save, refresh, single file, right? Suppose I want to I am copying this, I am pasting 3 times. There is only 3 fs with Srikanths are available. 3 fs with, just observe, I am saving, 3 fs with Srikanths are there. Just observe, fs with Srikanth. With the help of single tag, just observe, I am using one tag br. Just observe, I am using one tag br. Just I am saving here, I am saving this, and you observe when I am refreshing this, new line automatically. Just you observe, again I am taking one more tag, one more time. In a welcome I am placing br tag, and in a fs I am taking one more br tag, and in a Srikanth in between with break and break and break, and I am saving here. And just to observe, this is here, and what we learn this structure, it support everything, right? If in case we are using multiple blank spaces, it consider only single space, and with the help of tags we can design our page and we can design and we can represent our page what we like. Just where the break tag is there, and automatically it creates a new line, right? It creates automatically new line. These are one of the great things. Suppose I want to change this background color. This web page background color is a white color. I want to change. Very simple. Just observe with the help of one attribute. With the help of one attribute, bg color attribute. Bg color attribute. Bg color equal to, so I don't want this type. So just bg color attribute. I want to tell something. Bg color attribute. Suppose red. I am saving this. Save, right? Just observe. Actually, this bg color attribute is deprecated. It was removed from HTML5. Even also it works. That is one of the benefit. If you are following your own way, deprecated elements also available. It works. So in this lecture, just we are focusing on what is a tag. With the help of tag, we do something. Suppose you want to create a paragraph, right? You want to create a paragraph. Suppose just one tag. There is a p tag. P is nothing but paragraph tag. Suppose a p tag. Again, I want to write this all things. Suppose I want to copy this one. I want to copy this. This is one tag. I am pasting here. After paragraph, we are closing. So this is a p tag, right? P. So just you observe, when I am saving here, save, and what is our browser? This is our browser. Just you observe, new paragraph. Automatically it jumps to next line, but actually we are not using any break tag. After Srikanth there is no break tag, right? But when I am using this another tag, p tag, automatically it takes a break, right? Suppose just you observe, again I am taking one more paragraph, just I am saving, Control S, and just I am refreshing automatically. Suppose Srikanth, you tell everything, background color is red, right? But I want to make this content, text color is white. It is a possible? Yes, it is a possible, right? Suppose there is a one font tag is there, font tag. It is also deprecated. Font, where you want to, so up to here, my font color is white. Font color is white. Just observe, save, but it not works actually. We are using font tag, but it not works. Without attribute, with the help of attribute only, we can change color. Color I want to take white, right? White. Just observe, we are saving this, save and refresh, automatically change. But actually we are not closing this, right? So mistakes. So what is mistake here? Here we are not closing the tag. Actually this font tag is paid tag. Paid tag means definitely you need to close. So here we are not closing that. So automatically after this font tag is created, this all elements, all the content will be represented in white color. But when I am closing this font tag, just observe this as slash symbol, and when we are saving this, and again you observe, and you observe here. So what is font tag? Actually we are not closing this tag. Even also it works, but we are not restricting where we want to end that specific color, right? So this is some errors. What we are in error free language. This type of a thing only. So even we did the mistake, even also it not works. Even also it works actually, right? This paragraph, last paragraph, I want to represent in what color? Paragraph font, and here I want to make this font is green, so otherwise blue. So I am saving and I am refreshing. Just in this way we learn. But not only these color names, and there are hexadecimal format is available, RGB color is also available, and plenty ways we can write. And you observe this background bg color is one of the attribute for body, and font is one tag, and color is an attribute. These all are deprecated in the sense removed from this HTML. Even also it works, but in a real time we can achieve this facility with the help of CSS, cascading style sheet. With the help of CSS we can done these features, right? So we learn what is tag first of all. So this is a structure actually. What is tag? So already we know that these angular brackets is nothing but a what content, this angular brackets, that is content is nothing but a tag. Which content having angular bracket, that will be tag. The tags are predefined tags. All tags definition comes from the HTML only. So HTML tags are having two types, that is singular tag and paid tags. So if in case the tag containing only this one, there is no closing tag, then we call it as that is a singular tag. If in case the tag containing both beginning and closing, just opening tag is there and closing tag is there, then we consider that is a paid tag. If in case it contain only singular only beginning tag, it not required closing tag, then we call it as singular tag. Just best example for singular tag is break tag, we already use. And suppose there is a paragraph tag and a font tag and HTML body, these all are paid tags, we discuss laterly. HTML tags must enclosed with angular brackets, you consider that. Without that it is not at all possible. Next one, there is a one more facility is there, that is a comments. Comments are there. What is the use of this comments? HTML comment, what is comments? Very simple. Already we know that comments are not available on browser. Visible on browser. With the help of the symbols we can did comments. Comments are, we can create two ways, that is single line comments and multi-line comments. Just observe comment. Just I am copying this comment, one comment. This is a notepad and this is a browser. Just I am removing this all tags. All this I don't want to. This is only there, right? So I want to write one comment, right? After within the font tag, just observe, nothing change, save, nothing it is change, and I am copying this comments, HTML comment, my first HTML comment. Just observe, I am saving, save and refresh, nothing, it is not visible, right? When I am removing this, when I am removing first one, and automatically it is available, right? Just observe, this is a content, my first HTML comment. When we are putting this all the things, then automatically the comments are not visible, right? So well, after there is a break tag, is there a singular tag, right? So we already learned break is not required any closing tag. This break tag is not required any closing tag, right? And this font tag is a required closing tag, font. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please like and subscribe and share. So our channel is going to each and a pin to pin we cover, end to end we cover. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please subscribe and share.